Welcome back to another beginner series look. In this one we're going to focus on one shade only, and we're going to be using the Maybelline matte bar to achieve this really easy, simple, everyday spring look. I'm also going to be using the Maybelline eyeshadow primer. This stuff's good. And once again, we're dipping into the matte bar here. We're using the second shade in the top row of the palette. And basically what we're gonna do, I have a large stiff shader brush, and all I'm gonna do is pat that shade all over the lid. I'm bringing it up into the crease, literally just placing the color for now. Building it up, because this one can be a little sheer and you really have to pack it on, but that's okay. Some shades are like that. In the end it still comes out very beautiful. Now that's the shape you want. Just blend it out now with a fluffy blending brush, a clean one, no color on it, and just buff those edges out. Okay, next up we're taking Sally Girl eyeshadow single in Gunmetal, and I didn't count this in the look as in one shade because you're going to use a highlight shade more than likely, and this is ours. So I'm just applying that to the brow bone and blending it down. I'm going to take the edge of this eyeshadow brush and sweep it into the brow bone as well, and blend those shades together. And here we are, we're going to tight line, so the eye is basically done. So simple, right? And I'm using a white eyeliner from LaColors to tight line my waterline to make sure that I look awake and just more put together and not very dark on the bottom, if that makes sense. Maybelline Sensational Lash Mascara, and we're using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, and this is a candlelight kind of shade, champagne shade. I'm using a pencil brush to apply this in the inner corner, and I'm really going to pack it on in the inner corner because I do want that glowy skin feel and that wide awake look together. We're also going to apply a tad of that to the highest point of our brow and really grabs your attention. I love in the end how this look came out on the eyes. Now for blush, we're using the LaColors Show It Off blush palette. Very beautiful palette, by the way, $3. Definitely check it out. This has been my spring go-to blush kind of kit here, and I am just applying that blush, buffing it into the skin. We're going to also be using the Rimmel little liquid highlighter, the Good to Glow highlighter, and the names of this product will be in the description box, so definitely check that out. We're going to apply a little bit of that to the skin. We're going to blend it out, and basically it's not there to add much shimmer or glow, maybe just more of an underlying natural kind of glow, but I like it. So the next highlight we're going to use, which is Wet n Wild's Mega Glow highlighter powder, and we're using a fan brush today. I like it so it has a little bit something else to stick to. Yes, and it works. So we're going to fan that on our cheeks, our nose, and on our nose and between the eyes, our forehead, Cupid's bow, and our chin. We're going to build that up on the cheeks, I'm not going to lie, like it won't really glowy skin. We're going to buff that out with a kabuki brush, and look how glowy we are. It's so beautiful. This look, like I said, is so perfect for spring. Now the lips, I'm using a Cherry Cherie matte liquid lipstick, and this shade is a pinky nude, and it almost matches the eyes perfect. We're using the Hard Candy Glow Setting Spray to add more glow to the face, and here we are, finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Super easy once again. I love how glowy the skin came out, how beautiful the eyes are with just one shade. I'm not the biggest fan of just pink on your eyes or pink in general, but oh my goodness, total fan of how this look came out. This is one of my go-to looks now, and it's going to be perfect for you mommies out there or anybody in a rush or anybody looking for a new everyday kind of look, because I know most of you probably have this Maybelline eyeshadow palette. So with that said, thank you always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links and a product list. And stay tuned for more beginner series makeup looks.